y'all. Let me turn this around because shipping labels is right here. And I have no idea. But yeah. So yeah. Actually, I'm mistaken, this should be what's it called? Well, it's gonna be one of these, isn't it? I'll have this just in case. It is show up though. It's a hammock. It doesn't need all this protection. Jeez. Look at that. Oh, this is not. This is not cool. Okay. Jesus. It's a big old whale. Okay, do this way. Okay, let's see. If I'm mistaken, this should be a camping, not a camping, but a camping hammock with the fly and the, what do we call it? English. Okay, yeah, this was supposed to be. I'm gonna see what's. I'm actually gonna see if it is. Which means I'm taking out a thing. Now there has been some complaints about this movie. They're like, holy, they're like, no, missing a part or two, but yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see what's in it first. Keep the direction consistent with the hammock. Yeah. If you're like me, yeah. Okay. Does it tell me what's in it? What's the second language you mix this? Chinese? Not Chinese, the second one. It doesn't tell what comes in it, which is weird. But it should come with like the tree things and all that, so let's see what's in here. There was one of the tree things. Let's see if we have the other one. Usually there's two of them, unless this is two and one, I don't know. I'm not gonna get this back in here, but I'm probably. What's this? What? Okay. I have no idea. Nice day though. I know what this is. Okay. Well, no tit steaks or something. Here's the lines for the tent. Oh, not tent, but the hammock. These look like they all reflective though, which is pretty cool. I wish it was all in here, honestly. They come in little bags. It should be. This has to be the rain tarp. I might take it out because I ain't getting it back in. I know that for a fact. And the hammock must be. Wait, does the bag turn out to be the hammock? read. Let me some further reading, by the way. Okay. See if it actually tells me. This is not telling me nothing. Well, of course don't do that. Oh no! Okay. Check out the hip. Looks like the hammock is the bag. If that's the case, that's cool. So yeah, here's just a few of the things I got. Oh yes. Oh, that's cool. That makes things a whole lot easier for me. I still have my other one. Maybe no, this needs to go first because it's bigger. Yeah, it has to be the tarp. The tarp is no. I'll tell you why I got this. Like, one for. I'm gonna use this other than for practice. Let's get this back in here. This must be both of them, honestly. Cool as this, you can probably put it over there. So this is pretty cool. It's not back. It's kind of backpacking, but it's kind of bulky. It looks like the tarp or the hammock is the bag. That's cool. So yeah. It's been Joe K's EC Survival and Prepping on a Budget. I do have I have a tent, but it's for prepping. Which, as I said, if it's for prepping, I'm not going to show it. I'm going to mention it should be a Coleman Flatwoods 2 4-person tent. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna keep reading on this. Also cool with this, it says I can use this with sticks or whatever. We shall see. Anyway, it's been Joe Case EC, survival and prepping on a budget. And I should probably add a knife to that, but I don't think I'm out of like the space for the thing. But anyway, peace y'all.